Welcome to Module 1 of the Agile Operations Fundamentals course. And in this module, we're going to talk about the operations pattern, and we're going to introduce you to the operations pattern, which forms the backbone of the entire Operations Fundamentals course. So as you know from the Taste of Agile, we have three patterns that cover all work. The first pattern is the strategy and governance pattern, which covers strategy, managing the funnel, steering teams, setting up the vision, mission, etc. The second one is the program execution pattern, which looks at the execution of projects. And finally, the operations execution pattern, which addresses running operations. A pattern is nothing but a set of agile practices that actually help you to work agile and continuously improve. Each of these patterns have the same 5 phases. Normally teams are in the operate and manage stage, and then they continuously improve the operations process, and we will take you through each of these 5 phases in this training course. The first part is the operate mode, where most teams find themselves all the time. And in this, we're going to cover what does the team do to start working agile when they are in the operate mode. We're also going to talk about what leaders have to do to support the teams in going agile. Once they are in this mode, they then come across problems that they need to solve. So they're going to have to mobilize a team to do continuous improvement across the process. This will be followed by understanding the problem, delving into the real background and the root cause of the problem, coming up with options and hypotheses for improvement, and then building, testing, and implementing the hypothesis. Once this is done, they may need to iterate once or twice within it, and finally they're back into the operate mode where it's business as usual. And guess what? Once they are there, they have to start all over again, because the main goal in Agile is, how do I get better? Just to leave you with a thought that we covered in the Taste of Agile, and this is from Eliyahu Goldratt's book called The Theory of Constraints. You can only deliver as fast as the slowest part of your process. And in the operations pattern, one of the key focus areas is understanding the slowest part of your process. And at any given point, there will always be a slowest part. So as you solve one problem and optimize one area, you will find that another area has slowed down and is your bottleneck. The trick is for the teams and the leaders to decide where they want the bottleneck, as opposed to working without knowing where the bottleneck is. So that was a very quick introduction to the pattern. And in the next section, we will be delving into the operate mode and talking about what teams need to do in order to start working agile. Thank you very much.